how to add contacts in Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Zoho CRM. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho CRM website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you use Google services, choose the Sign In with Google option to make logging in quicker. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, look at the left sidebar and click on the Contacts tab. Inside the Contacts section, look for a button that says Create Contact or just a plus icon. Click on it. Now a new contact form will appear. Here, start filling in the details like first name, last name, and email address. You can also add optional details like phone number, company name, designation, and even social media links. Scroll down and fill out any custom fields your company uses to track specific info. Once you're done entering all the information, scroll to the bottom and hit the Save button. Your new contact will now be added to Zoho CRM and will appear in your contact list. You can now view, edit, or follow up with this contact at any time directly from the CRM. To keep things organized, don't forget to use tags or assign the contact to a specific group or campaign. And that's all for the video.